Hey everybody, it's me with Randog 1951. I'm Randy, and that's Arrow. He's the dog of part of the Rand, so I'm going to turn you around. Let's see, real slow. Sorry about this. Okay, there's me. Yep, I'm up here in the woods, National Forest. I just took that off and my hoodie. It's got a little warm, and I just climbed up. I don't think you can see how steep it is, but if you're familiar with steep roofs, 12 and 12 is 12 inches run out this way to 12 inches rise like that way, and that's about a 16-12 pitch. So I just cut a tree. Well, the diameter is about, well, it's not a big one. It's right there. And it fell exactly where I want it. And me, myself, and I are gonna... Arrow, get over here. Come on. Good boy. He'll end up being eagle or hawk meat. There's scat all over the place, but I don't see any bear. So, and bear season ended a month ago, I think. Maybe 2 months. So anyway, let's come to think of it. We are deep in the forest, gang. If anybody knows what kind of bone that is, let me know in the comments. Boy, oh boy, it is picked clean, that's for sure. So, yeah, it's pretty steep down there. I'm going to give you a panoramic view. I just wanted to touch bases and say hello, howdy. And thanks for checking in. I hear a little chipmunk. That's all I've seen today is one little chipmunk and a hawk that's wingspan was, wow, I don't want to exaggerate, but I think it was about as wide as my van or close to it. It was up there, but I got to be careful of the dog. Hawks and eagles are known to swoop down, and they don't realize it. They're loved pets. All they see is dinner. So, okay, gang. I'm going to put my vest back on in case my body decides to stop for some reason. I don't want to end up looking like that. Somebody can spot me. Alrighty, gang. Thanks for checking in. And, oops, let's see. Alright. Please give one of these. And subscribe. Subscribe. Comments are appreciated. I'll answer you. Okay? That's a deal. One of those and subscribe. Thanks again. Take care and stay safe. Bye.